In a fast-paced world, sleep often takes a backseat. But what many don't realize is just how vital it is for our overall well-being. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's a complex process that affects every aspect of our lives. Did you know that during deep sleep, your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories and processing information from the day? This stage of sleep, known as REM, is crucial for learning and emotional regulation. Without enough REM sleep, you might find it harder to focus, learn new things, and even manage your emotions. Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it can lead to serious health issues. Studies show that chronic sleep loss can increase the risk of conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and depression. When you don't get enough sleep, your cognitive functions suffer. This affects your ability to concentrate, make decisions, and even your reaction times. On the other hand, good sleep enhances physical performance and recovery. During sleep, your body repairs muscles, replenishes energy, and releases growth hormones, making it essential for anyone looking to stay fit and healthy. Indeed, poor sleep quality can be as harmful as not getting enough sleep at all. Factors like stress, diet, and even your sleep environment can impact the quality of your sleep. Prioritizing sleep isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about enhancing your life. A good night's sleep can improve your mood, boost your immune system, and help you live a longer, healthier life. So, tonight, give your body and mind the rest they deserve. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Get your 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for a healthier, happier life.